Dear ladies and gentlemen, my name is Roman Sakh, and today I would like to present you Mathpartner. Mathpartner is a cloud-based system designed for symbolic and numeric calculations. Cloud services such as Mathpartner are expected to fundamentally transform whole education system. It represents the latest generation of symbolic numeric software, which has advanced capabilities for teaching and learning. Let's begin our journey through the application. We will have two major parts. First, we'll show usage for scientific and engineering purposes, and second one will show usage for educational purposes. Let's imagine we have some input text written using Mathpartner language. You can see it in the slide. It has some specific syntax, and parts are delimited by equation marks. Further on, we are opening our application located at Mathpar UCMA Edu UA. We are proceeding to Workbook tab, clicking Files button on the left panel and importing our source file. You can see the content of file was divided in separate windows. After clicking Play button, content of window is being rendered and counted. In first window, we see that we are adding 2 and 2 together, which equals 4, then subtracting 10 from 30, resulting in 20. Next, we'll multiply the sum from the first step by the result from the second step, giving you 80. Finally, we are dividing this result by 5, resulting in 16. So the entire expression is calculated to 16. In the next window, we see sinusoidal function where the argument of the sinus is 2x plus 1, a linear expression in x. The sin function is then multiplied by a constant factor of 3, which scales the amplitude of the sin wave. The integral of the function is calculated to obtain g from x. When integrating a function of the form sinus kx plus b, where k and b are constants. We have a function, the sum. In the third window, we have a function of a and x raised to the fourth power. After that, we see this function in expanded view. After that, we calculate integral of expanded function. After that, we calculate differential from calculated integral and wrapping function back. As a result, we see the initial function. As well, our system allows to work with plots of different functions. We are building table function. After that, we are doing approximation and building plot of this function. After that, we are building plots for both functions together. As you can see in the illustration, we have this wave and the line. Also, we can build plots for some different functions like tangents and parametric functions. As well, apart from two-dimensional plots, Mathpartner allows building three-dimensional plots. You can see examples of parametric function plot. We can also build implicit plots and explicit plots. You can see examples in the further slides. This functionality allows us to rotate and view plots in all 3 dimensions. Another big advantage of Mathpartner is embedded help section, which allows to learn with execution along with execution of exercises. In this slide, you can see explanation of solution for algebraic equations. Operator solve performs solution and gives us roots of equation. Mathpar allows to solve differential equations of different types. Apart from that, it gives wide abilities for performing different matrix calculations. Mathematical education still lacks of unified system to integrate visually reproducible and computationally interpretable text. Mathpar language is a subset of LaTeX designed specifically for use in the Mathpartner Cloud Mathematics platform. It combines active and passive text, which allows to combine explanation and interactive calculation. You can see this example in the slide. Mathpartner uses GitHub repository for storage of learning materials. Lectures and exercises are two main types of materials. Teachers can upload their own materials and present to students. Mathpartner can be a useful instrument for improvement of learning physics in school as well. We can define given data for some physics exercise. We can see it in the slide. We are given values for mass and the ice temperature and other values. These values are being saved to workbook context after we are executing our window. After that, we can use those values in further calculations. And in the end, we can put all this calculation within solve operator, which counts it all behind the scene. It allows students to focus on understanding physics instead of wasting time for routine calculations. In this slide, you can see example where we are valuing different functions with data given before. And after that, we are putting all the data into solve operator, which counts it. And after that, we are printing these counted values. As a conclusion, I would like to emphasize on the importance of implementation of Mathpartner cloud system in science education. It will reduce so-called manual labor in calculations. Cloud mathematics Mathpartner is a new breakthrough technology which should become an important tool used in modern society. Thank you for your attention.